Hare Krishna, Namaste, greetings everyone. This is Rekha Jindal on Conscious Living. It's been almost quarter to 2 years since Corona has entered into our lives, and no matter what do, it tries to mutate itself. And I was wondering what could be the reason for this pandemic. Before we explore the very potential cause behind this calamity, let's try to understand ourselves. From the time we are born, we learn to adapt to the environment we live into. We try to find a way to survive in the world, to face the world, and we develop a personality. What do we do for this personality? We accept certain values, certain behaviors, and we reject the rest. For example, I may choose to be an organized, disciplined, perfectionist, arrogant mankind, and at the same time, someone else may choose to be a very loving, kind, and gentle, a pleasant personality. The ego constructs this personality and never allows us to step beyond this personality. We identify ourselves with this personality and we believe that we are this personality. We forget that we have a free will for our own decisions. We can step beyond this personality. So what happens in the long run? We go on repeating the pattern of living our lives. How do we do that? Just imagine, have you noticed that someone is suffering all the time? Someone is celebrating the life all the time. Is that destiny? No, my friends, that's not destiny or luck. That is the way the ego is leading us in our life, because ego knows only one way, and that is repeat the pattern. Think for a moment. Think of those moments when you said, "Oh my God, I can't believe I just did it." What was that? Those are the moments when you took control of your decisions and you left your ego behind. You stepped beyond your personality and you defeated your ego. So, what has Corona got to do with it? Think for a moment. What has Corona been doing for all this time? Corona has forced all of us to take our decision consciously. Aren't we conscious stepping out of our own house? Aren't we conscious should we go out for shopping or dining or on holiday? Isn't there a question mark on long office hours? Isn't there a question mark on the heavy school bags that small school children carry every single day? Isn't there a big question mark on every single thing that mankind has been doing for its survival? Survival, right? Because we are surviving, we are not living lives. We have forgotten that we are blessed with our intelligence. We are supposed to use this intelligence to live our life, to take our decisions. And look at Corona. Isn't Corona conscious? Isn't Corona taking a new version of itself every single time? And what are we doing? We are only repeating our pattern every single time. When an accident takes place or there is a calamity, what do we say? We say that life is so precious. We should live our life to the fullest. But how? By surviving. Surviving is not a way to live our life. We know that nature can heal itself, nature cure itself. Then why do we see ourselves separate from nature? Aren't we part of nature? Aren't we made up of those 5 beautiful elements? Then why are we not allowing ourselves to take our own decisions? Why are we dependent on our ego? Why are we not breaking the pattern? Why are we not conscious of our own life? We live such an ignorant life. I have read somewhere that in Kali Yuga, Kalki Avatar would come and rescue the mankind from the evil. It will kill the evil for the welfare of all the mankind. I was thinking, who is this evil? My dear friends, Ask yourself, is our ignorance not our evil? How to kill this ignorance? I believe that ignorance can be killed only and only with presence of consciousness, and that's what Corona has been doing. And I also read that Corona means destroyer of ignorance. Ask yourself, is it just a coincidence or an evidence? Aren't we expected to live a conscious life, take control of our own lives? Next time when you take any decision, just think, step back and think, am I living or surviving? This is Rekha Jindal on Conscious Living. Hashtag kill your ignorance. Hashtag live for your purpose. Take care and stay conscious. See you soon. Take care.